If I were looking in Fircrest on one of the most adorable streets, walking distance to the little downtown of Fircrest to the golf course, this would be a home I would highly recommend. Listed by Nimrata, not Nand, with KW for $750,000. This home has it all. 4-bed, 2-bath. She's completely move-in ready with so much charm. Original hardwood floors. Just look at how adorable this is. Big picture bay window. It also has a basement, a garage, beautiful landscaping. I'm in awe. So we're gonna start this way first. Bedroom number 1, pretty good size. Nice size closet. Love the built-ins. Here is one of the bathrooms here. Bedroom number 2. I can't get over how nice these beautiful floors are. I'm gonna go down to the basement in just a few minutes. I wanna show you the upstairs and the kitchen and then end down there. Look how beautiful this kitchen is. Absolutely stunning. I love these drawers. I just love, like, this would be the most amazing pantry. Backsplash is beautiful. Perfect amount of space. Here's this deck. Personally, I would add stairs to come down here. Love the landscaping. As you can see, it is not fully fenced. So if you do have dogs, it would be something that you would need to consider of maybe putting in a gate, electronic gate, and a fence down this way for pups. Or you can do what my parents did and train their dogs to go on a grass pad on the deck. That glass door like slid so smoothly. Second look. And you're probably like, oh my God, Whitney, that's not enough space. This is our family's growing for $750,000. Wait until you see the basement. So this is probably where I would put like teen kids. They would have their own upstairs space. I'd be downstairs closer to the bathroom. And then all of you would hang out in that basement. So this is where I tell you, my name is Whitney. I'm a local real estate agent in the Pierce County area. If you are PCSing here, looking to buy, sell, reach out. Let's just have a conversation. See if we're a good fit. Look at this. There's really nothing on this side right here. We can probably put some boxes underneath there. Here's your bathroom. This is your laundry. Your water heater. And then your garage, which is the only way to the backyard, but it's a pretty good size. Again, if you are interested, reach out. Link in my bio will have the details of this property. It is a brand new website with, what to do in the neighborhood, events, etc. So definitely go check it out. Okay, bye.